Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you how to make this Lego telephone. It is really simple to make and can be made in any color combination as you desire. Please note that this does utilize some hinge pieces and functional pieces. Now let's begin. You will need to take a 4x6 plate of any color you desire. Then you have to take a 2x4 slope piece and attach it in such a way that your current structure of the telephone looks like this. After that, take a 2x4 brick and attach it behind the slope. Once that is done, take another 2x4 slope and attach it on the back side. On top of the slope. After that, take a 1x2 brick and attach it on the back. In the same way, attach another one on the back side. After that, take two of these hinge pieces and attach them on the front part of the telephone. Then take a 1x2 plate and attach it over here. And your current structure should be looking like this. After that, take a jumper plate and attach it on top of that. After that's done, take two hinge pieces that should look like this and attach them to the hinges on the front. I'm literally recording, they can hear you. Then attach the functional piece on top of the hinge pieces and make sure that the hinge is hinged down onto the slope. After that, take a 2x2 plate and attach it on the rotating hinge piece. Once that is done, take a 1x8 plate and attach a 1x2 brick in the center. Then take two of these pieces and attach them on either end of the telephone. Like this. After that, take two of these curved slopes and attach them on the top. After that, you can attach it to the main build, and there you go. Your telephone is ready. It's really simple to make, and I hope you like my content. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and like my videos if you desire. Bye!